In last period, we have seen that the inertial and non-inertial frame of references. So today, we will see the types of forces, that is laws of motion. This is our main chapter, and today we see types of forces. In nature, all the forces are classified into 4 categories. These 4 forces are also called as the fundamental forces. So these 4 forces are: number 1, gravitational force; second is electromagnetic force; third is nuclear force, that is a strong nuclear force, strong nuclear force, and fourth is weak nuclear force, weak nuclear force. So out of these 4 forces, these are the fundamental forces. Out of these 4 forces, number 1, gravitational force. Gravitational force means this force is due to the gravitation between the 2 objects, or gravitations due to the 2 bodies. According to the gravitational force, Newton's law of gravitation states that it is a force of attraction or repulsion between the 2 objects which are separated with finite distance and having masses. The magnitude of force is directly proportional to the product of masses, that is m1 m2, and magnitude of this force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the 2 objects. Means suppose this is one object having mass m1 and this is the second object having mass m2. These 2 objects are separated with a distance r. Then this force is directly proportional to the product of masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. After combining these equations, F directly proportional to m1 m2 and inversely proportional to r square, we can write F is equal to G into m1 m2 upon r square, where this G is called universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant, and its value is 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This force is exist in the universe for everybody. It is weakest force in all forces. Among all these 4 forces, this force is weakest force. It is long range force, and in this way, this gravitational force can be exist in the nature. Now, second is electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force. Now in this word electromagnetics, that is there is electric field as well as magnetic field. Everybody consists of the charged particles, and due to the charges the magnetic field is produced, and therefore the force exerted between the 2 bodies or within the body is called electromagnetic force. So electromagnetic force is an attractive or repulsive force between electrically charged particles. Either electric and magnetic forces are dependent on each other, and therefore these forces are called electromagnetic forces. The majority of forces in our daily life, such as force of friction, normal reaction, tension in the string, collision forces, elastic forces, viscosity or viscous forces, are all the electromagnetic force or electromagnetic forces. And third is strong nuclear force. Strong nuclear force. This is a strongest force among all these forces. Means this is intranuclear force, that is the force of attraction between the nucleons, means the particles which binds the nucleus. This is the strongest force among all the forces which binds the nucleons together inside the nucleus. Means if we consider, this is atom, this is nucleus, and this is electron. This is electron, this is nucleus. Inside the nucleus there are protons and neutrons. Again there are some intranuclear particles like mesons, pi mesons, bosons, etc. These particles are known as intranuclear particle. Intranuclear particles. So these intranuclear particles binds to each other inside the nucleus, and therefore it is called the force which binds the nucleons. These intranuclear particles are called nucleons. So the force which binds the nucleons inside the nucleus is the strong nuclear force, and it is the strongest force among all the forces. It is strongest force. Then it is short range force, because distance between intranuclear particles is very small as compared to this gravitational force, and therefore it is strongest force. Fourth is weak nuclear force. Weak nuclear force. Now in this case, if you consider this atom, this is nucleus, this is electron. So nucleus has positive charge, electron has negative charge. This nucleus is bind with the electron, or electron is bind with the nucleus. This is positive, this is negative, but this is extranuclear. This is not intranuclear, because electron is outside the nucleus, and therefore it is extranuclear particle. This force is also strong, but it is weak as compared to the strong nuclear force, but it is strong as compared to the gravitational force. Means it is a strong force than gravitational and electromagnetic, but weak than strong nuclear force. It is also short range force. Means the force of attraction or repulsion, this is force of attraction between the positively charged nucleus and negatively charged electron. This is called weak nuclear force. This strong nuclear force is the force of attraction or force which binds the intranuclear particle, which are called nucleons. This is electromagnetic force, means it is produced due to the electric field as well as magnetic field, and this force is exist in our daily life. This is gravitational force, means force of attraction or repulsion between the two particles or two bodies which are separated with a finite or infinite distance. Means in this way, using these equations we can solve the problems on different types of forces. These are the different forces used in our laws of motion, and these forces are called fundamental forces.